Hello, I welcome you to this channel. In this video, you will learn about the Linebet promo code, what bonus it gives, and how to activate it correctly. The promo code you see on the screens gives you a $100 bonus or a $1,600 bonus and 150 free casino spins. How to get a welcome bonus? To receive the bonus, you need to register, use the promotional code from the screen and make a minimum deposit. All this takes just a few minutes. Let's do it together. Registration rules. Go to the official website of Linebet. The official link will be in the description of this video. Click the register button. Choose full registration and enter your personal data. In the promo code field, write the promo code that you see on the screen. The registration form gives you two bonus options. You can choose between 100% sports betting bonus up to $100 or a casino offer of $1,600 and 150 free spins. Once your account is set up, you need to make a minimum payment of $10. In addition to the welcome bonus, the Linebet website has regular promotions and great offers for regular players. For example, Happy Monday. Top up your account every Monday and get up to $100 bonus. Even more profitable promotions and offers can be found on the official website. The link is in the description of the video. After that, the long-awaited bonus will be credited to your account. Happy gaming and see you soon.
Thank you.